Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barley Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Wow, Firenze Red Metallic Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6 HSE automatic, obviously four-wheel drive, 2013 on a 63, 94,000 miles. Right, good service history, 6, 13, 18, 41, 51, 55, 83 and 93,000 miles with the cam belt replaced at 55,000 miles. Beautiful example, £14,995. Barley leather, Firenze Red Metallic, side steps, privacy glass, HSE, so reverse camera, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, electric memory driver's seats, 7 seats. Nice tow bar with an Alco ball, rear park sensors, as I say, reverse camera. All the tyres match, got good tread on, side steps looking good condition, alloy wheels, very good condition, paintwork, lovely. Really clean inside. Obviously this is keyless entry, keyless start, Harman Kardon HiFi, Barley leather, twin electric, well, electric front sunroof, but triple sunroofs, 3 sunroofs, electric steering column, multifunction steering wheel, voice control, obviously cruise control, sat nav, as I say, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, 2 keys in very good condition, one like brand new and the other one with a red case on. I presume if I take the plastic case off, that will be like brand new. Fitted rubber overmats, heated rear seats, there's the buttons down there, super clean, beautiful example, drives so well, just been cherished. Typical Chelsea tractor this, never seen any mud, never had dogs or farmers, dogs in it or been owned by a farmer. Lovely condition, load covers in there. £14,995, lot of discovery this for that money. Good service history, cam belt replaced, lovely colour scheme. Everything about this car is right. Door cards in great condition, not knocked about. Folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, voice control, 94,298 miles. Sat nav and a reverse camera. Beautiful example. Obviously memories for the driver's seat. Right, very smart thing that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. Probably got more than one Discovery 4. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barley Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, there's nearly 2,000 car videos we've produced over the last 10 years you can thumb through. You can watch this video as many times as you would like to, and if you subscribe to our channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You will want to be one of the first people to know about it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and goodbye.